Dear admin. So in this video, we learn how can we make the location-based shipping discount. For example, if you have two locations like this, and you have a shipping based on the location. For example, when you go for the shipping and delivery, this is the normal all profile products, and this is the custom profile, which is have only one product in my cart. And in this case, you can see here I have a two different location product. One is with the location shop location, and one is with the custom location, this one with the 50 quantity, and both product is added in my cart. So in this case, if you see here, it apply the shipping like 50 from this, and another one is like standard 100 from another product for this one. So that is the discount. Shipping is added like here. You can see like a standard shipping is 50 for this one, and another standard shipping came from the another location like all one. Okay, so here we go, and here you can see this is the US with the 100. Now here in this case, what happened, like if you have a mixed location product in your cart, then the shipping is like added with each other. For example, one is 50 and one is 100, then it will be 150 here. If you want to overcome this situation, we have a solution for this. Like when you go for the Shipoff application, you need to create a rule by multiple rules. This one, shipping discount. Once you created it, there is a rule needs to be created like this. Location based shipping, you can just set the subtotal or based on your requirement, like you can set the conditions as well, like just for the US you want to go for, or it is for all orders or something like that. So you can just do it accordingly. Now what you need to do is you can set here by shipping discount label whatever you want, and then after set discount type, set higher price or set lower price or the average price. So currently you can see the checkout has no shipping rule. It means it is added both this, like 50 for this product and 100 for this product, and it is 150 as its lowest price shipping. Now with the ship off, you just need to activate this rule, and here you can see once it activated, it will be set as a highest price. So when you refresh this page, you can see the price of the shipping is 100 instead of 150 because the higher price is 100. Now if you want to set it by lower price, then you can set it by lowest price. It means like the price will be 50 instead of 100, so that you can set by your requirement. And if you want to go for the average shipping, instead of make it like lowest or highest, so when you go for the average shipping, it means like 150 is there and two quantities are there, so it will be accordingly like 175. So it is look like 150 divided by two locations, so it will be 75 like that. So this is the shipping by location, where you can set the discount according to the highest price, lowest price or average price, and you just need to select here a rule with location base, set your condition according to your requirement, and that's it. If you need any other help, then you can just go for the live chat. We have a live chat here. You can just connect with our agent and they will help you with it. Thank you.